When we speak a gentle word, love blesses our home. When each person's voice is heard, love blesses our home. When we're giving love and care, lifting burdens we can share, seeking strength through humble prayer, love blesses our home. When the Spirit lingers there, love will bless our home. When contention turns to peace, love blesses our home. When forgiving brings release, love blesses our home. When we're letting go of pride, helping hearts be unified, pressing forward side by side, love blesses our home. When the Savior is our guide, love will bless our home. When God's mercies are revealed, love blesses our home. When our wounded hearts are healed, love blesses our home. When we're trying to progress, finding hope in each success, knowing God delights to bless, love blesses our home. When we feel God's tenderness,